In the truck, heading to St. Pete. Not only is tomorrow the Danger Ranger 9000, they're also adding in a Altima 600. It's 75 Altimas at the track at once. So we're hooking up to the trailer, and we're gonna head to St. Pete and go pick this thing up. It's pretty good, pretty good. I think I did a good job. Trailer is loaded. Let's get on the way to St. Pete. All right, boys, look what we freaking got. It is little beat up, little crusty, but the most important part, that 3.5 liter right there. We're going to freaking rock and roll tomorrow night. KC Turbo's Thought Patrol is loaded on the trailer. I don't know what to call it. It's gonna be the Thought Patrol V2, or I guess that's V3, V4, or Pursuit Edition. Yeah, there we go. Thought Patrol Pursuit Edition. Just gotta paint the door. I'm probably just gonna spray paint Thought Patrol because I did not plan for this at all. This was last minute. Found it on Facebook Marketplace. Went and picked it up for 1,500 bucks. Put some Marvel Mistral oil in it. Put some octane booster in there. Gonna do an oil change on this puppy, and then she will be ready to go. She did not want to drive at all when I got it, but that's because all the evap stuff was completely dry rotted. So it had a vacuum leak. So I changed all those, and this thing freaking rips. You can just see it all through here. At this point, I don't know which one I'm more excited for, the Ranger race or the Altima race where there's 80 of us. Got the Altima down here, and I think we're gonna name it Monique.
I think we have to.
Just found this in there. I'm gonna cover up her last name, but I'm gonna tape it right here. Just right there. We're gonna call her Monique now. I think that's the best name for her. Thought Patrol, but Monique.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Lord, what's it caught on?
You about to find out.
I don't want the transmission or anything ripped out. It looks like the frame. Or I guess, blue body, but yeah. Pull forward. Alright, we got the come alongs on there. Maybe he'll pop it up enough. We'll see.
Ready?
Woo!
Yeah!
Ready to take on that W.
Hell yeah, brother. Ready?
Alright, we're gonna let her eat and see how it goes, and I'm gonna ram Chad and Kevin and JH off the track, and we'll be fine. Yeah, I think we'll be doing good.
Hell yeah.
This year's edition of the Danger Ranger 9000, presented by PDS Debt, underway. We are green here at the Freedom Factory. Didn't take long for them to get 3 wide. Truck has made contact with the outside wall right here on the front stretch. Try not to have themselves out up front here, but here goes Smith to the bottom. Cleet going to try to play a little defense. They make contact. Both drivers down into the grass, and the new race leader, it's J.H. Diesel. On the front row. Chad Lower, Zach Walker, row number 2. Row 3 is going to be Ricky Fasanelli and Sean.
Freaking driver now. Woo!
Diesel, he misses, he goes high. Here comes Cleetus McFarlands trying to answer back and get to second. They'll come to the line this time by white flag in the air. Kevin Smith is sideways, and problems, big time problems for Kevin Smith. The right rear tire has come apart, and the rear axle is broken on the 78, and the yellow flag is out. Kevin Smith will not be a 3-time winner of the Danger Ranger. He says, to heck with that. I'm going to burn this truck down, and I'm going to get the good out of it. Well, I still got it. That was a career night running in third. And something happened. So it'll be J.H. Diesel and Cleetus McFarlands on the front row. Second row now going to look a little different than it has all night. You're going to have Ricky Fasanelli, still the pride of KSR and Kevin Smith Racing, KSR Performance, out there in third. Tyson Stewart is going to be up there in that third row, it looks like. And Tyler Hewitt has just kind of quietly kept his nose clean, been right around that top 5 most of the night. You know, a driver that's competed in several of these Danger Ranger events has been Tyler Hewitt, but has not had the finishes and the showing to back that up. But I mean, tonight he's just having a career night running in third. And if something were to happen up there on that front row, could Tyler Hewitt be a surprise winner here tonight? Well, here we go. Headed back to the restart zone. J.H. Diesel wants to see this go green these final 2 laps. Cleetus McFarlands going to try to keep him from victory lane. The green is back out. Presented by PDS Debt is the 88 of J.H. Diesel.
Tyler, you get awesome, dude.
Bro, tell me about one of the best drivers out here tonight.
Position,
That's what I'm talking about, boy.
Woo!
Overtaking everybody out here.
Oh my gosh, that was freaking great. I'm shaking. I was trying to take over Rick, and I just couldn't. He's too fast in the straightaways. That front right, I lost all grip coming around the corner. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's still pretty good. That lightening in the rear, putting less PSI in the rear really helped. Oh my gosh.
Heck yeah, dude. Had a lot of issues. The Altima seat does not move forward, so it is too far back. So, luckily for me, somebody had a couch. I paid him $5 for a couch cushion and wrapped it in a hoodie. I think this should push him out just about far enough to get to the steering wheel and be able to win this race. See what happens.
Well, besides my windshield being absolutely filthy now, since I hit the windshield wiper button, we got fourth. So I'm excited. Let's Stop Patrol V4 in like top 3 would be great in this thing. Starting all the way like in the back, so I don't know if that's gonna be possible, but we're gonna see. What do you think?
I think you're gonna kill it. I think it's a winner.
I hope so, man. I hope so.
Good luck, man.
I wouldn't be surprised if there was a pile of trash going around.
Dude, as soon as it goes green, it's just gonna be cars on top of each other. He's way back here. I don't know. Oh, he's right here. That's my music.
Well, that's what we saw earlier in the meeting, but now you are looking live here at the Freedom Factory. If you ever wondered what it would look like if you took 80 Nissan Altimas, stacked them up 4
I know.
This is getting closer and closer to getting underway. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, it's gonna be terrible.
We got our first red flag. There we go.
The ride of shame.
Well, if you want to know how long a bad transmission CVT lasts in a Nissan Altima, about 15 laps right there.
I think I figured out what happened to the Altima. My tire's flat. We hooked the battery up because it was dead, and don't put it in park. It doesn't want to go in neutral, apparently. Is it still driving? It's still driving! Yeah! Oh, no, here it is. There it is. There's the Bondo.
Dude, this thing exploded.
Dude, we were getting hit by pieces of your
Oh
car
my
the rest of the
gosh.
race.
Oh!
It was too good of a deal to pass up for an Altima, 500 bucks. Yeah. V6 manual. And it finished the race. The wrap down here at the Freedom Factory. 4th place. It's about the best I've ever done. So we're gonna keep pushing, and hopefully next time I want to adjust a few things. I think the axle in the rear is messed up. So we're gonna change that out, change a few things on the front, and we're gonna win this thing. What a rough freaking hit. Oh my gosh.